Hello friends, today's topic as suggested by you, the Titan stocks I purchased have doubled. Now what to do? My name is Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is service to society. In fact, the complete question runs like this. 2021 batch student, when you told to buy Titan at 1800, I invested 10 lakhs and now my portfolio is almost double. What to do? Thank you, sir. Our observations. Number one, congratulations on your success and continue long-term investing. Number two, it is not clear whether you invested in only one stock or a basket of stocks. However, since you attended our workshop, we are confident that you are diversified in 8 to 10 stocks, hence your risk is reduced. Here is the Titan graph of 2021 onward and probably August 21, 1800. That is when you purchased, and now it has gone to 3200, settled at 3002. Number three, as long as the fundamentals of a company are good, you can continue to hold or invest in such stocks. As long as Titan business is doing well, especially jewelry segments, Titan shares will do well in the long term. Number four, the reason to sell comes when you need the money for some important purpose such as children education, marriage, retirement, home purchase, etc. Or the fundamentals of the company are weakening. Number five, there is no need to book profits if you are a long-term investor, since if you sell, you are unlikely to buy again and then you will miss out on all future profits. Number six, if you sell the shares, then what are you going to do with the money? If reinvesting, then in which shares? You will get further confused on what to do. Number seven, many people also ask us whether they can buy blue chip stocks such as Titan, etc. Now keeping in mind next 10 years or more. Yes, you can invest as long as you know how to do fundamental analysis properly, how to monitor stocks and have long-term vision. The next question, Namaskar sir, these days you stop making videos on IPO and according to you, long-term investing is good or short-term is good. Another question almost related to this, February 2023 batch, all IPOs are listed at higher rate whether we should invest or not. Our observations, number one, usually IPOs are overpriced and not worth investing in, especially when there are so many good companies which are already listed, have a good track record and future potential. We don't usually cover information about IPOs. Number two, also investors are usually fed up of not getting allotment due to the huge demand for IPOs. Number three, so due to these reasons, most people are not even applying for IPOs. Earlier, whenever we used to make videos on IPOs, the number of people watching such videos were extremely low. Hence, unless there is a very famous or large company, we don't cover IPO details in our YouTube channel. Here is the next useful question. Good evening, sir. Short term, long term, how to pay tax? Should we pay tax on the money invested or the profits made? Very interesting question. Tax is always on income or profit. It cannot be on the invested amount, since the invested amount would usually be already taxed. Number two, the difference between the investment and the sale value is a profit or loss. Accordingly, you need to pay tax. Now, here is an announcement. We are conducting a class called Master Class. Last week, 400 people applied, but only 150 people could attend due to lack of space. And that is why we are repeating this class. And the topic is how to invest at market peak. Cost of the master class is 499 for the first 75 participants. However, the good news is it is absolutely complimentary. After that, you need to pay 499. The master class happens on 30th July Sunday, 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. and Dr. Bharat graduates need not attend. However, the upper limit for the master class is only 150, purely on first come, first served basis. You may be curious what is being taught in the master class. Fundamental analysis you learn, by which you invest for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years and get in crores, not in lakhs, by which you can make your children education and marriage and also retirement income 100% free. Many people are desirous of earning some extra money in a month like 10, 20, 30,000, etc. For them, we teach technical analysis by which you can earn some extra money to compensate your monthly expenses. Now the next question you may be asking is how to register. We could have given the link of the masterclass here to click directly. However, in order to gauge your level of interest, we are asking you to send an email to successdigest@gmail.com, name, mobile number, and in the subject column, please type masterclass, and it happens only in Kannada. Once you attend the masterclass, you will feel repentant that many new things you would have learned by attending it. I am hoping that on Sunday you are coming and taking benefit of it. Now continuing with the matter of the video. Sir, I am October 2022 student. From your course I have learned a lot of things, and I also learned what not to do rather than what to do. Thank you. Our observations are as follows. Number one, in life and in investments, it is not enough to know what needs to be done to be successful. It is also important to know what should not be done so that we don't make mistakes. Number two, learning from others' mistakes is a very important virtue rather than we investing and losing money. Number three, what we teach in our online course are lessons learned from our lives and also from lakhs of people. In spite of many people knowing that, many people are stubborn and want to make common mistakes on their own and only learn lessons after that. This is a wrong way of becoming smart in life. Here is the next useful question that we need to answer. What should be our approach to demergers of Nifty 50 companies? Should we continue SCP in demerged entities as well as original entity? Please advise. Our comments. Number one, it all depends on what is the business of the demerged company and also whether it has good potential for the future. Number two, usually it is not the main business of the company which is getting demerged into separate company. Hence, it is not the reason that you initially invested in that company. You may neglect investing in the demerged company. Number three, for example, Reliance Jio Financial Services got demerged from Reliance Industries very recently. If you had invested in Reliance because of its other business of oil and gas and retail, etc., and if you feel that there are better companies than Jio Financial Services in the same sector, then you need not invest in the demerged and may continue only in the main company. Fourth point, but if you feel that the demerged company is also worth investing, then you can do SCP in both the companies after the demerger. Here is the last question of the episode. Many companies are not having any promoters holding, like ITC company. Is it worth buying such stocks? Here are our observations. Number one, certain companies don't have promoters because the old company and the family members do not exist anymore, and it has become completely a shareholders owned company like ITC and L&T. Number two, as long as you observe the fundamentals of the company are good and it has good potential to do well in the future, also there is no problem in investing in such stocks. Number three, on the other hand, there may be many companies which have higher promoter shareholding, but the performance and fundamentals are not good. In such cases, it may not be worth investing in spite of promoters holding a good stake. Friends, if you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. And finally, if the video is good, type good in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.